to Dyana's Kitchen. Today I want to make some rice and peas and I want to share it with you guys. But I'm not going to use the fresh peas, guys. I'm going to use the one in the can, guys. Alright guys, very simple and very easy. Okay guys, let's start guys. So this is everything that I'm going to use to make my rice and peas. Okay, first you're going to need some kidney beans. This is the kidney bean. You're going to need some red kidney bean. All right, you're going to need some coconut milk. You can use this one, the can one, or you can use the box one, okay, the Jamaican Grace box one. All right, you're going to need some garlic. You can use the fresh one, all right, or you can use the one in the bottle. All right, you're going to need some scallion. You're going to need some thyme. If you don't have the scallion, you can replace it with the onion, okay. You're going to need some pepper. All right, the pepper is just to season it up. You can cut a little piece of the ripe one and then put the green one in it. All right, you're definitely going to need some ginger. If you don't have the fresh one, you can replace it with the powder one. Okay, you're going to need some butter. You're going to need some all-purpose seasoned salt or all-purpose season. Okay, you're going to need a pinch of salt. All right, be careful with your salt. And you're definitely going to need some rice. This is the rice. This is 2 cups of rice. All right, and you're going to need some season. This is the same season here. All right, this is the seasoned salt, and this is the Jamaican seasoned salt, and this is the all-purpose seasoned salt. Okay, so now I'm going to get started. So now this is my pot with my water, guys. This is my water. All right, you're going to need some water in your pot, because remember the peas in the the peas in the can already cook. All right, so you don't have to worry about cooking it for an hour or so on. It's already cooked because we're not using the one in the bag, we're using the one in the can. Okay, and then we're going to throw the coconut milk. This is the coconut milk. Okay, you can use the box one or this, but I choose to use the one in the can. Okay, so now guys, I'm just going to throw my coconut milk. So this is 1 can of coconut milk. I'm not going to use the whole can. Okay, I'm just use, half of the can. I'm going to remember I told you about the ginger. You can use the powder one or use the fresh one. All right, this is the fresh one. All right, I already cut it up. Throw some ginger and some salt. Okay, I'm going to throw some salt. I'm going to throw like a half a teaspoon of salt, because salt in the season already, so you definitely want to throw on like half a teaspoon. You don't want your rice and peas to salt. Okay, so what we're going to put right now, we're going to put some garlic. Okay, we're going to put some garlic right now. Okay, and this really don't need the garlic. I'm just putting the garlic for the taste because the peas are already cooked. So I just put half a teaspoon of garlic and just put the garlic for the taste because the peas are already cooked. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to put this on the stove to cook for about 10 minutes because the peas are already cooked. I just want the coconut milk to cook and everything. Then I'm going to put in my season. All right, so see you in 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so this is my rice and peas. The peas is boiling really nice, guys. Okay, it boiled already for 10 minutes. So right now I'm going to put my season in. All right, guys. I'm gonna put my season in. As you can see, it looks so nice and rich. Okay guys, and guys, the peas that I use is the family size. If you cannot find the family size, you can use 2 or 3 regular small can. All right, so this is the scallion. Remember I showed you the thyme. I'm showing you the thyme. This is the thyme and the scallion. All right, so this I'm gonna put away because I already cut up some. So my scallion and my thyme, a good amount of thyme, and my piece of pepper. All right, so you want your rice and peas to have a nice, a nice flavor. So right now I'm just gonna dump everything in. Okay, make sure you wash it. It's very important for you to wash it. Okay. All right. So now I'm just gonna put my butter. Remember I showed you the butter. All right, a good, you want a good spoon of butter. You want that nice flavor when when you rice and peas, when you put in your rice and rice dry and everything, the rice and peas is nice, and mellow. All right, so now I'm gonna put my powder season in right now. I'm gonna put my powder season in. Remember, this is the all-purpose season, and this is my seasoned salt. Okay. All right. I'm gonna make everything cook right now, guys. So what you want to do, you want to definitely, you know, taste it. You definitely want to, you know, these are little tastes, guys, to make sure, you know, it's, you know, it have enough salt, and you know, it have enough, you know, everything that you need. I just taste it, and it tastes, you know, it tastes mellow, and the rice already not in it. All right, guys. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just make it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, so you want the season and the coconut and everything to combine together before you put your rice in. Okay, so see you again in 10 minutes. Okay, guys. So right now I'm gonna wash my rice. Okay, this is 2 cups of rice. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash it. Okay, I like to wash my rice, guys. It's very good to wash your rice. Okay, definitely wanna let that water beat on the rice. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna throw this off. And the rice. Oh, it looks so rich, guys. So now we're gonna throw our rice in. Alright. So that's my rice. Okay. So guys, what you can do, use your judgment. If you store your rice and you feel like it's too much water, you can use something and take out the water. Okay, because you don't want your rice to soft and you don't want your rice to tough. Okay, all right. So right now I'm going to take out some of the water out of my rice, so you can use back the same water, guys. The same water you're going to use. If you feel like your rice is dry down and it wants a little bit water, you can use the same water. Okay, all right. Okay, so right now we're going to put this and medium heat, or you can put it on low heat because you don't want your rice to burn. All right, so see you in about 15 minutes. Okay, guys, so this is the rice and peas, guys. It's finished, and look at that, guys. Look at that. And guys, when you cook your rice and peas, and if your rice and peas look tough, remember I show you the liquid, the extra liquid you can throw over it, or you can use some file paper. Okay, the file paper works. All right, you can put the file paper over it to steam out your rice if if your seeds look a little bit tough. But right now this is finished. I'm just gonna cover it up for the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn it off and just cover it up for 5 minutes and then dish it. Okay, all right, guys. So this is my canned peas, rice and peas, guys. All right, guys, if you watch the video and you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, share if you like. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.